Hello guys, this is Varun. I am studying second year in ACEB section. Today I am representing a topic in PPT. My topic is classification of binary codes. There are different types of classification. There are 4 types: weighted codes, non-weighted codes, alphanumeric codes, and error detection and error correction codes. Classification of binary codes in digital electronics, an overview. We will explore the classification and application, laying the groundwork. Binary codes are the bedrock of all digital systems, representing information using only two digits, 0 and 1. This simplicity allows for data processing and in complex electronic services. Understanding binary codes, the foundation of digital systems. Binary codes are the language of digital systems, representing information using only two symbols, 0 and 1. Only with these only we represent the binary systems. Each digit or each bit holds signification, forming the basis for all computations and data storage in computers and other signal devices. There are different ways: digital language, system basis, and information encoding. Everything in digital electronics translates to binary for processing. System basis, from microprocessors to memory, binary codes are foundation. Information encoding. Efficiently, encoders and decoders are vast amount of data. Here there are differences between weighted codes versus non-weighted codes. In weighted codes, each bit is assigned a specific weight. For example, there are different codes: 8421 codes, 632 minus 1 code, 84 minus 2 minus 1 code. Non-weighted codes, unlike non-weighted codes, do not assign a positional value. There are two types of non-weighted codes: gray code and XS3 code. The formula of XS3 code is written as BCD code plus 3. It means, for example, we take a number 10. It is represented as 1010. If we add 3, then the XS3 code is 13. 13 is represented as 1101. In weighted code, there is another example: 8421 code. For 0, we represented as 0000. For 1, we represented as 0001. For 5, we represented as 0101. For 9, we represented as 10101. In non-weighted codes, XS3 code, there are two different codes: sequential codes, non-sequential codes. Sequential codes, ordered progression. Non-sequential codes, exploring gray code and error minimization. Gray code is non-sequential, non-weighted code notable for unit distance properly. Only one bit changes between successive code words. It minimizes errors in the system. After that, there are self-complementing codes. There are some simplifying arithmetic equations, easy complementation, simplified subtraction, efficient AL use. After that, third different binary code is error detection code. Error detection code, it is in that there are parity bits. The parity bit is defined as to detect the error of the information received, add one extra bit to the data of the transmitter. It is known as parity bit. Even parity, the total ones including parity, even number such that choose parity bit. Odd parity is defined as the total ones including parity bit becomes odd such that choose parity bit. Formula for detection and correction error. 2 power k is greater than or equal to m plus k plus 1, where k represents number of bits added to the given message, where m represents number of bits of the message. For odd parity, we check positions 1, 3, 5, 7. If there are 3 errors, we take as P0, P1, P2. 1, 3, 5, 7 positions. And for P2, 2, 3, 6, 7 positions. For P3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions. And we have to detect error here. For detection and correction error, we must satisfy the above equation. 2 power k is greater than or equal to m plus k plus 1. Alphanumeric code. Alphanumeric code are the binary systems used to represent letters, numbers in format that computer system can understand. The example of alphanumeric character. Alphanumeric character include all 26 Latin characters such as and, star, at the rate, dollar, etc. For example, we represent ECE and STLD. There are some major examples. ASCII. ASCII full form is American Standard. ASCII, the universal for text encoding in modern computing. EBCDIC dominates the IBM numbers, a legacy code. Alphanumeric code. It is defined as full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, as 7-bit code used in test computers in communication equipment. EBCDC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange code, is a 8-bit odd primarily used in IBM mainframe environments. These codes are essential for humans to interact with digital systems. These binary codes are used to understand the human language and comparing it with digital systems and devices. Thank you, one and all.